Bat's impressed. What's your status? Talk to me. No enemies detected.
Where the hell is he? What's the calibration on that drone?
Don't worry. He so much as breathe. This thing will
This way! Over here!
Checking on man down. I'll keep watch.
Look at all these guys. He's picking us off. We can't afford to lose any more men. He's too fast. We don't stand a chance. Nothing we can do here. Spread out and find him. Placing sentry gun.
Your pupils have by now dilated in desperate, straining effort to pick up what they can in the dark. Your muscles have tensed in anticipation of the moment he strikes. Blood has been drawn away from
It's the man! He's in the construction site!
function.
You with it?
Have you felt that? The cold chill of fear.
Hey! Anyone got eyes on target? Damn! Screw the drone! I'm coming for you, Batman! Look out!
Do you take pride in what you have reduced them to? The mewling babes your assaults exposed. I will do that to you, Dark Knight. I will peel back every layer of the Batman before the night is through.
It's safe to reconnect the servers. The control console is on the top floor. Oracle, the clock tower's secure. You're reconnected to the mainframe.
Great. Okay, it looks like we lost a couple of servers. I should be back online by the time you're back.
Good work. Alfred, I'm heading back to GCPD. Oracle may have a lead on where Scarecrow has taken Jim.
Now she has access to the clock tower computers, I don't doubt she will, sir. Batman's up against it, fellas.
Scarecrow should just give up, man. He ain't taking you. No way.
You think that's smart bringing the girl back here, Batman? Might as well kill her now.
You were lucky, Ryder.
Thanks for saving me, man. I mean, I had it under control. It was all part of the act, you know? Getting up close and personal.
Next time I'll leave you there.
Ah, cute. If I died, who would you talk to?
Be warned. I'm not saving you again tonight.
What, this? Purely above board. Queen Industries launched a new company last week, Q-Core. I'm doing a follow-up piece about the owner, a real sharpshooter.
I'm sure.
I'll send you a copy.
Cash said it was his anyway.
Great, you're here. Scarecrow's chopper flew out towards the bay before heading north. I tried narrowing it down further, but the data's corrupted. They did more damage than I thought. What the hell was that?
Trouble.
Gallant police force of Gotham, I have a message for you. You are not safe. You are not protected. Batman will not save you. This is the beginning of the end for you, Dark Knight.
Like hell it is. The Bat computer's back online, Batman. I'll do what I can.
You made it.
When I was airlifted off my ship, I expected to be rescued, not cuffed and thrown in jail.
You're even more deluded than I thought, Stag.
You would know, Batman. You would know.
Sooner or later, this deluded maniac is going to have to accept that money doesn't give him the right to do whatever he wants. Isn't he, Stag?
You're gonna be in here for a long time, Blackfire.
Child, these bars cannot hold me. When the time comes, God will dissolve them like the hot wax of a candle, and I will be free.
I'd keep praying if I were you.
Oh, I will. I'll pray for everyone, for all Gotham's lost children, especially you, Batman. I'll do one special just for you.
You gotta hand it to Deacon Blackbeard. Anything that gets the homeless working should be encouraged.
Keep your guns straight on that door. We are not dying in here. We've come too far. Let's show them what it means to be GCPD.
Cash, full lockdown, now!
Big
Cash, open the shutter doors.
I'm trying, Batman. Power's out. This is it. They're gonna tear the building apart.
Batman, the schematics say there's a generator on the outside of the building. Go!
Bozos in blue put their faith in you, Bats. They believed in you. They turned a blind eye all those times you took the law into your own hands. And now, you're gonna get them all killed. Seriously, let's just get out of here and leave them all to die. I'll only have to come back later and butcher them all anyway, and frankly, that's going to be a lot more painful for everyone involved. It's your choice, Bats. If only old Jimbo were here to see this.
The home of Gotham.
I should power up the generator to get the Batmobile out of GCPD.
Of chaos and despair. Watch as I obliterate it, and the lives of all that cower within its wall.
Oracle, the generator's destroyed.
Damn it. Okay, there's a backup in the underground parking garage, but it should have come online.
On my way.
Looks like the parking garage entrance below you is jammed open. You can access the generator from there.
I should power up the generator to get the Batmobile out of GCPD.
Batman, he's here! Batman's here! Engage! Take him down! I thought you were meant to be good! Charge him! Any history of heart problems, Batman? Now move it!
I can power up the backup generator to get those doors open. If I shut off the generator, the precinct will lose power. Oracle, the backup generator is online.
Good. Let's get you out there. Head to the car and I'll... What? No way!
What is it?
A vulnerability in the militia's network. Idiots. I think I can hijack their drones.
Good. Get ready for a fight.
Ready, Batman?
Ready, Oracle.
I'll be out there fighting alongside you.
5,
4,
3,
2,
1.
let's finish this.
Batman's taking out a Rattler.
Hacking drone. I've got this one, Batman.
That's a hit. Drone's been hit.
Takeover protocol initiated. Batman, I've overcharged the tank's energy cell. It'll trigger an EMP when shot. Initiating hack.
Lost the Rattler. Twin Rattler offline.
Hacking target. Batman, I primed my tank to explode. Just fire the shot. Not so tough.
Twin Rattler down. We're not equipped to deal with this, sir. I've got exploding tank. EMP strike. Drone down. Confirmed hit. Rattler's been hit. He's just wasted a twin Rattler.
Tank under control. Good shot. Drone destroyed. Okay, next hack started.
Mamba down. He's hitting us hard.
EMP ready, Batman. Take your shot.
Twin Rattler.
Take that.
I got him.
Ready, Batman?
Ready, Oracle.
I'll be out there fighting alongside you.
5,
4,
3,
2,
1.
let's finish this. Target selected. Beginning hack now. Batman, overcharge the tank's energy cells. It'll trigger an EMP when shot. Kidnap me, kidnap my dad, you'll pay. Hacking target. I've got control of that tank.
Multiple units off.
Hacking drone. Batman, I primed my tank to explode. Just fire the shot.
Rattler down.
Got one.
Twin Rattler off.
Okay, next hack started. EMP ready to go. Take your shot.
Enemy flank.
Takeover protocol initiated. We're holding them off, Batman.
Twin Rattler down. We're not equipped to deal with this, sir. I've got exploding tank. EMP strike. Confirm multiple hits. Over.
Initiating hack.
I've lost a drone.
Detonation imminent, Batman. Take your shot. We can do this.
Direct hit on a Rattler.
EMP blast blast prepared. Shoot it.
Alpha targets hit a drone.
Target selected. Beginning hack now. There's no way they're getting in. Hacking drone. Tape's ready to blow, Batman.
Drone up.
Ha!
Mamba offline.
Shoot the tank for an EMP.
There's nothing left, sir. Nothing.
You played your part. Now Batman will play his.
All drones destroyed. We did it! No, wait. Scarecrow's dropped infantry on the roof. They're trying to bypass the security lock. I can hold them off, but not for long. Batman, I've got control of the security and utility systems on the rooftop. I can take the bastards out. You just set them up.
You hear that? Wait, stop. He's coming! What the hell are you doing? You can't hurt me! I promise! Behind him! You're supposed to stop him!
Steam hype's Batman.
Target! Resist! Now! Push on its way. Hang in there.
Batman, defense!
We're the best, Bat! You won't keep up with us! Shoot him! Try and hurt me now! I see when you're finished!
Get him over the fence!
Check out the lieutenant! Switch it over!
in here looking to thank you, the both of you. And I'm one of them. It looked bad for a minute there.
Thanks, Aaron, but you don't need to... Oh, God.
What is it?
I think Scarecrow's at the movie studios. Dad's voice was just used to gain access.
Pull up a surveillance feed.
I've tried. And I can't get a hold of Robin. He was in there, right?
Don't worry, Oracle. I'm on my way.